Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned black beans taste better. First, let's talk about rinsing. This crucial step removes excess sodium and any starchy liquid, which can really dull the flavor. Just pour your beans into a fine mesh sieve and rinse them under cold running water for about 30 seconds. You'll be amazed at how much this simple action improves their overall taste and texture, making them much more palatable. Next, we're going to build a flavorful foundation by sautéing some aromatics. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1/2 cup of diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté these until they are fragrant and softened, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. This simple addition creates a wonderful aromatic base that will elevate the entire dish, making your beans truly delicious. Now it's time to season and simmer your beans. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano to your aromatics. Stir for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add the rinsed black beans and 1/2 cup of vegetable broth or water. Bring it to a gentle simmer and cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This simmering time allows all the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a rich and satisfying dish. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to make your black beans truly shine. Once they've simmered, remove them from the heat. Stir in 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro or parsley. A squeeze of fresh lime juice, about 1 tablespoon, will brighten all the flavors and add a lovely tang. Taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. These simple additions will transform your canned black beans into a vibrant and incredibly tasty meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.